Hey, second grade. Today you're going to get one folded sheet of paper and one small strip of paper. You need to put your name on the back of that folded sheet of paper, and you're either to A, B, or C. Flip it over, and at your table I have a whole bunch of different geometric shapes. You need to trace one of these and each one of these folded squares. Doesn't matter to me which shapes you decide to use. So I'm going to do a triangle over here. I would try to make sure that they're in the middle if I were you. In the middle of your square. Maybe I'm going to do this X shape, or you could turn it and have it be a plus, up to you. If you need a friend to help you hold that tracer, you can have them hold that. That's fine with me. And I need one more. I think I will do a circle. After you have traced 3 shapes, one in each square, you're going to take that strip of paper and you're going to be drawing tons of lines today. So I'm going to line this strip of paper up with the edge of my paper, and I'm going to draw a line. So it's like a tracer for us. Then I'm going to slide it over, make sure it's lined up. Do it again. You'll notice that my line actually runs into my circle. When I hit that shape, I need to skip over it and go to the bottom. So I'm not drawing any lines through the shapes that I drew. Draw it down until I get to my shape, skip over, and then down. After I've done a few lines, I'm actually going to switch or flip my strip around, because sometimes when I cut these, one end will get just slightly bigger than the other, and that can make our lines end up kind of wonky. So you need to do this across your entire sheet of paper. That means you're going to be drawing a lot of little lines. Take your time, make sure that they're nice and straight. If we don't finish this today, we might have time next time too. After you've drawn lines all across that sheet of paper, you're going to turn that strip this time. And I'm going to be drawing lines that go horizontal. Well, right now my strip's vertical, but you can see that right now these are all going vertical. I'm going to be drawing lines going this direction now. So the stripes on my shape will actually be opposite of the stripes in the background. So I'm lining it up at the tippy top of that shape and drawing my line, sliding it down, drawing my line. This is going to take a while. You might not even get this far today. If you don't, we will probably have some time next class as well. Carefully lining it up every single time. Keeping those lines just in my shape. All right, so you can see how they're opposites. All right, background's vertical, shape's horizontal. I need to do this to all of them. All right, some of these shapes are going to be harder than others to do. Like this X, you can see it has to skip over part of it like this. So take your time, really rock it. When you get this far, you are done for the day. All right? You might not get this far though, like I said. So start with the vertical lines in the background after you've drawn your 3 shapes. Then, when you're all done with that, you can go in and do the horizontals on that shape. So they should be opposites. These will go in the drying rack when we're all finished. Please be sure to put your tracing strip away, as well as all your shapes.